Okay, I'm now going to show you my favourite and most used keyboard shortcuts. Starting with Command and T for new audio tracks, Command Shift and T for new MIDI tracks, Command Option T for new return tracks. Okay, then we have Command Z for undo, Command Shift and Z, redo. A vital one is Command and S for save. Really recommend doing that one regularly. Don't want to lose your work. We've got Command and X for cut, and then Command and V for paste. Command and C for copy, and again, Command V, paste. Let's undo a few of these. We have Tab to go between session and arrangement view. And we have Shift and Tab to go between your device and your clip view. We have Command Option L to show and hide the device. And getting used to all of those won't take you long, but once you do, it's a bit of work, but you'll thank me later because it'll save you loads and loads of time and help you be more productive in making the tunes that you want.